As you are well aware, safety within the practice is critical, which is why we've updated our Demeanor statuses, giving you and the team the visibility on patient temperament throughout the practice. Let's get started on how to create custom Demeanor statuses. Head over to the Admin tab and select Animals from the drop-down menu, or Patient if you're on version 30. Please keep in mind that you will need the correct permission level to set up new demeanors. Select demeanors and check out the default options that ezyVet has created based off the most common temperaments seen in practices. Now you can start getting creative and design your own demeanor statuses. Start by creating the name, selecting the order you would like the demeanor to display within the list, then choose from the list of icons. And last but not least, choose the color you want the icon to be. Once you press save, you will see your newly created demeanor status is now in the list of statuses to choose from. Now that the hard work is complete, we can start using our new demeanor statuses on the patient record. Simply open up the patient record and select the pencil icon to select what demeanor status best suits your patient. Meaning no more nasty surprises. And just like that, you're all ready to start configuring your own demeanor statuses. To learn more, head to the link below.